Hi, I'm Tana Senn, your state representative from the 41st Legislative District. We're getting down to the wire with just 2 weeks left of the regular 2015 session, and I wanted to catch you up on a bill that we just passed about tolling. I heard from a constituent, Jim, in Issaquah, who was very frustrated about a $40 tolling charge that he received that soon escalated to $800. See, Jim was out of town, and the bill came to his P.O. box, which was forwarded to his out-of-town address, but unfortunately the mail was not forwarded. Despite his best efforts, the bill continued to languish, and again he was billed $800 when he finally returned. Luckily, we have passed legislation in both the House and the Senate to deal with this very kind of issue. Senate Bill 5481 will make sure that the Department of Transportation not only mails, but also emails and calls drivers to let them know when they have a fee that is overdue. The bill also makes sure that judges and the Department of Transportation have more leniency and more discretion so that they can either waive or they can change the fees as they're accumulating out of control. The legislation also mandates that the Department of Transportation has, from their website, a way that you can easily manage your account using your cell phone. We're also mandating that DOT allow for toll transponders to be sold at vehicle dealerships. So for all you frequent flyer tollers, you can have your account linked up to your car right there and then. This last part might be for you personally, Jim. If the Department of Transportation and the Good to Go group messes up and charges you more than you deserve, they need to send a sorry note. There are only a few days left of the session, so I need to run back off to the floor now for a few important bill votes. As always, please feel free to contact me at my office with any questions or concerns. I look forward to seeing you soon.